In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete cover photo on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile. And now basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at our cover and it will show you this pop-up where you need to tap at see cover photo. After that, you will be taken to your cover photo, which is currently, as you can see, even not cropped. And now in order to delete this photo, all we have to do is just tap right here at these three dots and then hit add delete photo. It will ask you, are you sure to delete your photo and post? To continue, hit right here at delete. So guys, basically that's how it can be easily done. As you can see, currently I do not have any cover photo on my Facebook profile, and now we can easily set new one if we tap at this camera icon, and then we can hit upload photo to upload some from the camera roll, and also we can hit add choose cover photo to select one from the photos that are already uploaded to that account. And let's say I'm gonna choose that option, and after that here I'm gonna pick out this picture which I'm going to set as my current photo. I can now drag it up or down, and then to save it just hit right here. So guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.